Good morning guys, it's Ali from Brownlows in Darlington. We have another new stock arrived this morning, Peugeot Rifter. It only has 4,000 miles on the clock, a 2019 model for $12,995, no VAT. Now, the best thing about this vehicle is it's a three-seater vehicle, but it's also a wheelchair accessible vehicle. I'm going to show you what is inside. All you have to do is, easy as that. And you have the electric winch to pull the wheelchair. So I've just pulled it out just to show you. So once you connect the wheelchair to the winch, that just pulls the wheelchair inside the vehicle. Okay, once it's done, looking at the car inside guys, it's a very clean vehicle. It's a three-seater van, professionally modified for wheelchair access. You don't get these very often in the market, and we were so lucky to acquire at least 6 or 7 of these last week. All these vehicles are going to be on our website in the next 24 hours, right? They all have been priced very competitively in the market, right? So if you're looking for one of these, please do give us a ring on 01325 484870. Don't forget, all our vehicles comes with a 12 months MOT, no advisories, and a service and a 3-month warranty. It's priced at $12,995 guys, no VAT, right? It's a bargain. Please do give us a ring.
Those cars. If you're looking for great savings on quality used cars, be sure to like, subscribe, for more updates on our latest stock and amazing deals. Join the Brownlows Cars family today.
Brownlow Cars, the name you can trust. 351 Haughton Road, Darlington, DO1 2BP, 01325 484 870.